My PowerPoint is on How to Make a Homemade Pumpkin Pie by Lucinda Atkins. I want the students to use the mathematical skills to make their homemade pumpkin pie. I want the students to learn how to follow directions and know what positive outcome can happen when they do follow directions. Also, by doing this, it will help each student with their independence and confidence. I know a problem with our students today is they do not have the practice of using the proper measuring techniques and know how to follow directions. So I want to help with that, and I want this project to be something that I think that will help with each student. My needs assessment, I will be the instructor who will be giving the students the proper steps on making the homemade pumpkin pie. They will learn how to apply the fractions and different kinds of measuring tools to help them along the way. They will be given directions to follow, and they will also gain confidence and independence on the way. The instructional goal is, or the goal statement is for this project, is for the students to learn to use different measurement tools in cooking. This is something that they will use now, and they also will use in the future as adults. The instructional analysis is the information for the outcome of how to make a homemade pumpkin pie, is the students will see what positive outcomes can happen when they follow the steps. This is something that will be important and beneficial to them in the future as well. The instructional objectives is objective number 1. I will provide 10 cooking terms and the definitions. The students will match the terms with the correct definitions. This activity will help the students recognize the vocabulary while they are cooking their first recipe. Objective 2, I will provide 5 fill-in-the-blanks with math questions, and these will help with fractions and measurements as well. Objective 3, I will supply a camera for the students to take pictures of their homemade pumpkin pie as they go. This will help with their confidence, and they could make their own storyboard to see how they do along the way. Objective 4, the students will be given a list of recipes to choose from, and they will work on the recipe independently to see what they have learned, and this will help the students with their independence as well. Assessment plan. In my assessment plan, I did a parent survey and a student survey. In the parent survey, I said, do you think cooking is beneficial with students' mathematical skills? The parents said, yes, this is something that will be used in their future as well. And the students said, yes, for sure. The second question is, are fractions something your son or daughter struggles with? Yes, said the parent, and the student said, yes, sometimes. Do you think confidence can be gained in learning how to cook? The parents said yes, especially if it is a positive outcome. And the students said yes, for sure. Do you think learning how to cook as a recipe in school is needed? The parents said yes. I think this will help students now and in the future. And the students said no, but it would be cool to have. Instructional material. One of the items I would choose would be the text materials, which we could use like worksheets to do quizzes and just practice math questions. Another item would be instructional software, which is called Simulation. I think this item would be appropriate for the topic as well. You could use like real life situations. Material generators, which would also be good under manipulatives and software tools. This item can be used to help the students develop their own recipe as well. Interactive presentation software. And another item from the web-based and social media tools will be the discussion board, so the students can talk back and forth and give their opinions and also help with communication skills. Evaluation plan. I used a formative evaluation for my classroom. I would use the large group review and the data-driven decision-making. In the large group review, I would give a survey, and you would have to choose between 1, 3, and 5. In the data-driven decision-making, you would have to, here's the example of the survey, and then here's the You would match the picture with the ingredients or the instructions. Conclusion. As the instructor, I want to see a positive result in the measurements, the fractions, following directions, and leadership. I think my plan will help each student improve in each of these areas.